Take a ride in the 2019 Audi Q8. The Audi Q8 was built to stand out in a crowd, and it sure does. An aesthetically pleasing exterior, plenty of bells and whistles on the interior, and performance that makes you smile. And is priced below $90,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: autonomous braking, traction control, stability control, voice-activated navigation system, suspension control electronic, compass, wireless charging station, power brakes, electronic brake force distribution, driver adjustable suspension, height. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.